Tagumpay ang kauna-unahang telesurgery kung saan ang pasyenteng nasa Pilipinas na operahan ng doktor na nasa China. Paano nga ba ito ginawa? Para bigyan ng mukhang balita, Mobile Journal, Denise Valdesancho.
With the surgeon doing the robotic surgery from China and the patient being here in the Philippines.
We're going to perform the robotic-assisted radical prostatectomy for a patient who has an intermediate risk of prostate cancer.
Isang 53 anyos na lalaki ang tagumpay na naisalang sa kauna-unahang telesurgery sa Urology Center of the Philippines. Malayo ang doktor pero napagalaw niya ang robot na nag-oopera sa pasyente. Merong console at gamit ang sobrang linaw at magnified na screen, kita ng surgeon ang loob ng katawan na binubusisi ng robot.
The main advantage of the robot, one, you have less blood loss, less scarring, faster recovery. And for the surgeon, it will be ergonomic, meaning you can extend your lifespan. Because the surgeon is doing the surgery in the console, sitting right there, without any fatigue.
Internet ang gamit. Pero syempre, alam niyo naman ang internet sa Pinas. Kaya meron pa ring backup.
Actually, it will not affect the outcome of the surgery because you have an expert surgeon right here in the Philippines who's going to take over the surgery.
Makalipas ang 5 oras, tagumpay na natanggal ang cancerous prostate ng pasyente sa tulong ng telesurgery.
With the lack of surgeons across the country, the future here is that you can have these robots in different municipalities, in different islands, but you cannot provide all the doctors. So the doctor, the expert surgeon can be here in Manila doing the operation through the console, through the internet, with the patient either in Masbate, in Sulu.
Mobile Journal Denise Valdesancho po, hatid ang mukha ng balita.